Amanda, what's your favorite bird?
Mourning doves.
Awesome.
What's your favorite bird?
I'd say my favorite bird is the eastern screech owl.
What's your favorite bird?
Indigo bunting.
Nice.
What's your favorite bird?
My favorite bird is a peregrine falcon.
Hello, my name is Brady Mickley, and my favorite bird is the peregrine falcon because it can dive at 240 miles per hour.
What's your favorite bird?
The barn swallow.
Nice.
What's your favorite bird?
I really like chickens. They lay eggs and they've got great personalities.
What's your favorite bird?
Condor.
Nice. Kinsley, what's your favorite bird?
Scarlet tanager.
Nice.
Hi guys, I'm Will. I'm the Vice President of Bird Club. You should join Bird Club because there are tons of wonderful birds around this area and we can help show them to you. And my favorite bird is the hooded warbler.
Hey guys, I'm Luis and I'm the treasurer of Bird Club. You should join Bird Club because we lead bird walks all the time, so you get to see what kind of birds are around the Meadville and Crawford County area. And my favorite bird is the blue-footed booby.
Hi, my name is Robin. I'm the secretary of Bird Club. I think you should join because it's a lot of fun and we get to go see birds every week. My favorite bird is the spotted owl.
Hey guys, my name's Josh. I'm president of Bird Club. You should join Bird Club because we are officially affiliated with the National Audubon Society. And my favorite bird is the black Burnian warbler.
Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows that the bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird.